we have the equation y equals 2/3 x plus 1. And I want to graph this linear equation to kind of find out where does it fit on the rectangular coordinate system. One way that we can do that is by plotting some points. And to plot points, we draw this xy table and choose some values for x to determine what would the y be. One value I always like is 0. I can also choose any other number that I want. I'm going to be a little clever this time. I'm going to choose 3 and -3. And maybe you'll see why I chose those numbers rather than 1 and -1, or 10 or -13. So 0, 2/3 times 0 is 0 plus a 1 equals 1. 3, let's find out what happens when I insert that into the equation. I substitute the x for a 3. 2/3 times a 3 is a 2. Basically, I chose 3 because I knew it was going to eliminate that fraction. And I like to work with numbers without fractions. So 2 plus 1 equals a 3. And likewise, if I had a -3, I also see that that 3 would also eliminate the fraction. So I have a 2. 3 times that 3, I have a -2 plus a 1, or equals a -1. After I plot 3, 4, or 5 points, I'm able to go ahead and plot them then. The first one's over 0, up 1. The next one's over 3, up 3. And the last one's -3, down 1. And now I have a rough idea of what that graph looks like. Now all 3 of those points, if I did them correctly, should be on the same line. And if I could draw on a chalkboard, you would see that they are indeed all on the same line. Now it's a good idea to do 3 points. If I did 2 points, I would not be sure that I have the right graph. But if I had 3, and they all line up, then I know that I'm in the right area. Again, you could choose any numbers that you want. I just happen to choose 0 and then 3 and -3 because I saw in my equation that choosing that number, or those numbers 3 or -3, would make the equation, the fraction of the equation, disappear.